Hey there, smart shoppers! Welcome back to Buy Smart, the channel that makes sure you get the best bang for your buck. Today, we're taking two drones head-to-head in a battle of the skies. On the left side, we have the Holy Stone HS720 GPS drone, aka Holy Stone. And on the right, we have the ATTOP drone, aka ATTOP. Buckle up because this is going to be one turbulent ride. Let's dive into the nitty-gritty and see which one will make you the king or queen of the skies. Alright, let's start with the most exciting part, the price. Holy Stone comes in at a whopping $249. Many reviewers feel it's worth the price given its features, but it's certainly an investment. Meanwhile, ATTOP is a much friendlier $99. Reviewers appreciate its affordability, especially for beginners or as a gift. Now, on to something that actually matters. The camera. Holy Stone boasts a 4K UHD camera with image stabilization, making it a favorite among users for capturing high-quality videos and photos. Meanwhile, ATTOP has a 2K camera, which is decent but not as impressive. Some reviewers mentioned it's good for casual use, but doesn't offer the same level of detail as Holy Stone. Let's talk flight features. Holy Stone is like the James Bond of drones. It has GPS-assisted intelligent flight, automatic return, and it can follow you around. Reviewers love these advanced features, especially the GPS and return-to-home functions. On the other hand, ATTOP has some nifty tricks like route drawing, 360 degrees flips, and voice control. Reviewers find these features fun and engaging, particularly for younger users. Battery life, the Achilles heel of every drone. Holy Stone comes with two intelligent batteries, giving you a total of 52 minutes of flight time. Reviewers appreciate the long battery life and find it sufficient for extended use. ATTOP, with its two 3.7 volts batteries, gives you around 20 minutes in the air. Reviewers note that while it's enough for a quick joyride, more batteries might be needed for longer sessions. Now, let's see how easy these bad boys are to fly. Holy Stone is packed with sensors for stable hovering, and it has features like one-key start-stop and emergency stop. Reviewers commend its ease of use and stability, making it suitable even for beginners. ATTOP simplifies things with one-button takeoff, landing, and altitude hold. Reviewers find it user-friendly, especially for kids and beginners, but it might not satisfy more experienced users. Last but not least, portability. Holy Stone has a foldable design and comes with a well-fitted carrying case. Reviewers love the portability and convenience. ATTOP is also foldable and comes with a handy carry case. Reviewers appreciate its compactness, making it easy to carry around for spontaneous flights. Overall, reviewers find the Holy Stone HS720 GPS drone to be a solid choice for those willing to invest in advanced features and high-quality performance. It is praised for its stability, camera quality, and battery life. On the other hand, the ATTOP drone is appreciated for its affordability, ease of use, and fun features, making it a great starter drone or gift for younger users. However, some users have experienced issues with functionality and battery life. So there you have it, folks. Holy Stone and ATTOP, two drones with their own unique strengths and quirks. If you're looking for a high-end, feature-packed drone and don't mind splurging, Holy Stone is your sky companion. But if you're on a budget and still want to have some fun, ATTOP is your go-to drone. Don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to Buy Smart, and leave a comment about which product you prefer and why. Product links are in the description. Until next time, fly smart and buy smart.